for the church. Not for the church, but for the Gunners family. So please.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Guys, this is another part of EDO'S father's burial. Let's focus on the church service, this time with some of your favorite celebrities. To be very honest, I didn't know Desmond Elliott was in the church service. I must commend him for that. So here we have Inedo exchanging pleasantries with the former governor of the state. Beside him is his wife, and of course Ini heading to say hello to the present deputy governor, and then she proceeds to say hello to everybody. Guys, to be very honest, this shouldn't have happened in the course of the church service. Yes, so she should have waited later. So these are her friends from Lagos, Nigeria. So here we have Inedo leading her siblings to go and greet the former governor of Akwa Ibom State, His Excellency Udom Emmanuel, and the present deputy governor of Akwa Ibom State. We have Ini exchanging pleasantries with some of her guests. Of course, you saw Wari Pikin and Azoka from This Day magazine.
With the assurance that the crowd was waiting for him. At the end of the day, when they come, you said, so let's take a picture. And close
So here we have a cross-section of some of your favorite superstars. We have Toke Makinwa, media personality, actress, event host, podcaster. We have Nancy Esime, actress, podcaster. No, we have Rita Dominic. We have Uche Jumbo. We have who else do we have here? We have Wari Pikin. Guys, to be very honest, this has really tried for showing up, because man, like I've always said, it's not easy to travel across states for an event, considering the security situation and every other thing. We have Desmond Elliott and Eyina Wigwe. Of course, somewhere there beside Eyina is Mary Remy and Joko, and we have Auntie Kate, a daughter of the soil. Yes, so she is from Akwa Ibom. We have Ike Obuna, Inedo's Boo Boo, and beside him is Dr. Tino.
Dr. Senator Akon Nagayi, and we please put our hands together for Her Excellency as she comes forward to address us. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, everyone is expected to take their seats, please. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you very much. Please, you may be seated. Your Excellency, immediate past governor of Akwa State, our father.
So here we have Inedo and her siblings. Fun fact, guys, having events in an open field is not easy. Like, I really don't like when events are held in open places like stadiums. I just feel like it's just a lot. It's hard to control people, because like this is basically a service going on, but it looks like it's just an entertainment show.
Let's say praise the Lord, everybody. It's my privilege to be here following the advice of one of our great men in the community. First of all, I want to salute him.
You didn't tell mommy that I don't live in Nigeria? She didn't know. Well, because of this financial, I enter play.
I will not forget, sir.
This is my younger sister. Yes, Mama, I don't hug her.
Wife and I for prayer during it makes our information first, our readers. What we want to do. Thank you, Mama, the Deputy Governor, all of our elders, all of the representatives. I am not here to prolong the vessel. Pastor. Oh, sorry, man, sorry.
So here we have Inedo flanked by her girls, Rita Dominic and Uche Jumbo. So we have Medlin somewhere in the background. We have Ini and Luchi Donalds. Luchi Donalds moved to Lagos and upgraded. She looks so good. We have Ini and Medlin's sister. I've forgotten this girl, Winifred. That's her name, Medlin's sister. Guys, like I said, Lagos, the brush people up. Make we no lie. We have Medlin Boss who styled Ini for the day. So here we have Real Worry Pikin on the dance floor. So guys, sorry to interrupt you. I have actually done a post on my 100k subscribers milestone. Guys, I am so excited. Like, it's not just about numbers, it's about the journey I have taken to get here. I have learned, grown, discovered so much about myself, so much potentials. I've upgraded. Guys, I listen to my voiceovers from when I started in 2022. I'm like, God, what was I thinking? But in fact, I'm going to do a proper video. Let's just stop here. But thank you guys. I know if I do a proper video, not everybody will get to sit down to watch everything. So I just said, let me just interject it here because I know that somehow people will be interested in this vlog. So guys, thank you so much. In case you didn't get to see the post I made, thanking you guys for sticking with me. Shout out to my regulars here. I appreciate you all. I see you all. Thank you for all you do for Society Hotspot. So So here we have Honorable Desmond Elliot, flanked by Nancy Isime and Lily Afibai. I've always said I love how Desmond Elliot is always present at most events. Like, he doesn't shy away from events, nothing like, oh, I'm now an honorable. He always shows up. That's one of my favorite things about him, our honorable. He may not be Twitter people's favorite, but I don't know, I kind of have a soft spot for him, strangely. I think he's an exceptional director, a good producer, an amazing actor. I used to be a huge fan of his movies. Guess what, guys? I got my second strike today. The first strike will expire a week today. So I really hope I don't get a third strike before a week today, else my channel will be terminated. So talking about the strike, okay, I got the first strike on the 2nd of January 2025. It came from a video from 3 years ago, which was, the strike was issued by someone. So I sent several mails to her, she didn't respond. And then this second one was issued by Biodun Stevens for a video she uploaded from a movie premiere. And to be very honest, I didn't know that she was on YouTube, because at the time, guys, to be very honest, that's one of the reasons why these days to upload they tire me. Almost the whole actresses are on YouTube. Like, whatever they upload on Instagram, they tend to upload on YouTube. So most times before I upload anything on YouTube, I tend to cross-check, check their channels to see if they've uploaded it, and that will determine if I will upload or not. It is really tough because all of them are all on YouTube. So now they're like, I'm realizing that, oh my god, this person used to be on YouTube. So it's so hard. I just hope I don't get a third strike before next week when the first one expires, because once you have 3, your channel will be deleted from YouTube entirely. Well, I have written like an email, sent messages to the person who issued the strike, and telling her I didn't know and apologizing and all of that. So I hope she responds and retracts it, because she has the power to retract. So if she retracts, I'm going to be very excited. If she doesn't, it's going to be sad, because I am basically walking on thin ice. But then I hope for the best. So guys, that's all on EDO'S father's burial reception. And like I promised, let's get to see EDO and her siblings saying hello to the dignitaries from our Akwa Ibom state government. So enjoy watching, guys.
Wow.